यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ हुल Q3 नेट प्रॉफिट के बारे में। और आप लोगों ने देखा हुल Q3 नेट प्रॉफिट रेंज 136% to reach 7,075 crore on one-time gain from ice cream demerger share down 2%. EBITDA rose 2% YoY reached 3,640 crore while EBITDA margin declined 50 bps to 13.3%. Hindustan Unilever on February 12 reported a standalone net profit of Rs 7,075 crore for the October-December quarter of the ongoing financial year 2026. This marked a 136% year-on-year increase from the 3,001 crore net profit reported in the same quarter of the previous financial year. Excluding exceptional items, profit after tax grew 1%, whereas 2,562 crore. The net profit reported in the quarter include a one-time exceptional gain of Rs 4,516 crore, arising out of the discontinued operation following the demerger with its ice cream business. HUL also reported a one-time exceptional cost of 113 crore, arising out of the implementation of the new labor codes which took effect last year. Considered underlying sales and volume growth stood at 5% and 4% respectively. During the quarter, damage trends reflected early signs of recovery underpinned by supportive policy measures. Against these backdrops, we delivered a competitive performance with 6% revenue growth and 4% underlying volume growth. We continue to build desirability at scale at our brands and accelerated market development in high growth demand space and strengthens our capability to scale channels of the future with a dedicated organization for quick commerce, said CEO and Managing Director Priya Nahir. The firm revenue from operation meanwhile rose more than 4% YoY to reach 15,805 crore during Q3 financial year 26 from 15,146 crore in Q3 financial year 25. EBITDA rose 2% YoY to reach 3,640 crore, while EBITDA margin declined 50 bps to 13.3%. HUL board has also approved the purchase of the remaining 49% stake in Jai for the 824 crore. Consequent to the above acquisition of the balance shareholding in Jai and the wholly owned subsidiary HUL Labs Private Limited shall become wholly owned subsidiary of the company. The company said